A look back at 2024 shows the dollar, gold and Bitcoin were amongst the most favored bets, with US stocks led by tech mega caps seeing the best returns in years on AI euphoria. A series of volatile sessions for the Wall Street stocks extended into the final day of 2024, and this indicates a feeble end to an otherwise exceptional year of equity investors. The Nasdaq 100 and also the S&P 500 have fallen for 4 straight sessions. In a year-end slump, large-cap market values were sliced by over $1 trillion. And still, it was a year in which stocks, particularly the mega tech firms, outshone virtually every other asset class. The Standard & Poor's 500 index has gained about 23% in 2024, rising for the 5th time in 6 years. And this rally has added about $10 trillion to the Wall Street stocks. The Standard & Poor's 500 has risen by more than 50% since the beginning of 2023, and that, of course, is the largest 2-year return since the late 1990s. The MSCI, the All-Country World Index, climbed by about 16%, and India's stock market has received the biggest annual inflow ever from small investors, with mom-and-pop investors pouring a net 1.54 trillion rupees, that's about $18 billion, into the stock market. Now, Australian stocks capped December as Asia-Pacific's worst performers on China's subdued recovery and uncertainty about the central bank action. The Chinese stocks also raced past their peers for their first annual gain since the pandemic. The dollar index had its best year in nearly about a decade, weighing in on the commodities, and still, among the commodities, gold had its best year since 2010. However, gold's 27% advance stands out in mixed years for metals markets. The iron ore capped its worst annual drop since 2015 on China's slowdown, and oil closed out a flat performance in 2024 as the market braces for a global surplus next year. The cocoa's 178% annual gain was driven by market volatility and concerns about supplies. European natural gas prices rose to the highest level since last November in anticipation of a halt in Russian flows via Ukraine on New Year's Day. In a year of records for Bitcoin, during which the OG token surged to repeated all-time highs to hit over $108,000, BlackRock's Bitcoin fund became the greatest launch in ETF history. The US ETFs played a key role in Bitcoin's rally to over $100,000 in 2024. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.